And another thing with renting repairs, a lot of the time too, if you're in an apartment or even if you're renting a home and it's maybe not the most urgent repair, a lot of times, maintenance crews and stuff get backed up. So the repair you may need it done to your garbage disposal may be a month out. Whereas if you owned a home, you could call around and find a suitable contractor to come and fix your garbage disposal in as little as a day or a week, on your timeline. So I've heard that from a lot of clients, who are renting, that during the process of while they're renting, they can't get things fixed in a normal amount of time.